Welcome dear students for the second segment of grade 10 Western Music class of St. Peter's College, Colombo 4, Nicaragua branch. Last week we discussed perfect cadences. Today we are going to talk about imperfect cadences. What is a cadence? A musical phrase ends with a cadence. It is similar to punctuation marks in composition. It is similar to punctuation marks. So last week we talked, there are four main types in cadences in music. Perfect cadence, imperfect cadence, interrupted and plagal. So what is an imperfect cadence? The imperfect cadence or half close. Imperfect cadence or half close is a temporary resting place. It is a temporary resting place in the melody passing on chord 5. The imperfect cadence sounds less final, something else to come than the perfect cadence. The imperfect cadence or half close, temporary resting place in the melody, and the imperfect cadence sounds less final than the perfect cadence. So, what is the difference between a perfect and imperfect cadence? Perfect and imperfect cadence. Perfect cadence provide a harmonically stable end to the music. It gives a harmonically stable end of the music. Imperfect cadence make the music sound unfinished. It feels unfinished or surprising. Okay. Now listen. Imagine if I play this at concert and if I stop that point, the audience must get upset because there's something more to come. There you're expecting it, right? So, but it didn't come. Earlier, it didn't come. So that's why we use perfect cadence to end the melody. So for the perfect cadence, we used chord indication, chord 5 to 1. Now for the imperfect cadence, we used chord 1 to 5. So when forming an imperfect cadence, chord indication, let's take C major. First we'll make the chords. C major, chord 1, C, E, G, C. Chord 5, C, D, E, F, G. G, B, D, G. These are the 2 chords. So they give some points. When you do this, when you're forming imperfect cadence, if you follow these steps, it will be easy to make a good imperfect cadence. In bass notes, C to G, put down the bass notes. Leading note looks back to tonic. Leading note. Chord 5, in chord 5, you will get leading note of C major. What is the leading note of C major? B. Leading note looks back to the tonic. B looks back to the tonic. Third point, notes in common in the same part. Notes in common, G, G. Other one, last one, which notes have I not put? I haven't put E to D. So according to this, now we are going to write on the four-part recipe. First, we will write in 5 to 1 to 5, right? C, G, C, G, 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 C, D, E, D. I use this range E, D, D, and the other one is C, B, C, B. Let's listen that. Listen. It's unfinished. That is imperfect cadence. Write the following imperfect cadence, right? 1 to 5 with key signature. And they gave D major, F major, A minor. So when you form in imperfect cadence, you can use 1 to 5. Normally we use 1 to 5 chord indication. And you can use 2 to 5, 4 to 5 or 2B to 5. You can use that chords also. So we'll do these exercises. So D major, chord 1. Before you form the cadence, do the rough work. D major, chord 1, D, F, A, D. Chord 5, D major chord 5, D, E, F, G, A. A, C, E, A. So according to this point, we will follow the steps D, A to D. That is bass notes. Leading note looks back to the tonic. In chord 5, you will get D major's leading note. D major leading note is C. C looks back to the tonic. That is D. Note in common, which I have not put. D, A. D, A. You can put A here also. When you are arranging, you can use this A also. D, A. Then we will do F, E. F, E. D, C. D, C. D, C. A, E. Now we have to change the arrangement. First we will take D, A, D, D, A. F, E we will put here. F, E, A, A, E, E, and our thing is D, C. D, C. D major key signature, F sharp and C sharp. F sharp and C sharp. F major. F major key signature, B flat, Don't forget to put key signature. They ask to write with key signature. You have to put body indication. Okay. F measure chord 1 F A C F. Chord 5 F G A B C C E G C. According to these points, we'll mark the notes. Bass notes F and C. Leading note looks back to the tonic. Leading note is F major is E E look back F. Notes in common C C. Which notes have I not put? So F C gives F C F C F C C C. I use C C here. C C C C A G G and F E F E. A minor. A minor, no key signature. Put chord indication 1 to 5. So A minor chord 1, A, C, E, A. Chord 5, A, B, C, D, E. E, G, B, E. Got to these points? Put up the bass notes. Leading note looks back to the tonic, that is G comes to A. Notes in common, B, E. Which notes have I not put? So A, E, A, E. I'm going to put E, E here. E, A, G. A, G. That one is C, B. We can put C, B here. Yes. And the other thing is you must raise the 7th note in minor key. So A minor, what is the leading note? What is the 7th note? G. Here G, you should raise this. Okay, I hope you understand this properly. So thank you and God bless you.